Let's solve the following question. We have another limit including square root. If you start plugging 4, substitute 4, see what happens. You get 4 minus 4 divided by square root of 4 minus square root of 8 minus 4, which is 4 minus 4, divided by 2 minus square root of 4, which is 2. So you get 0 over 0. Well, this is indeterminate form. Which cannot be simplified. So we have to simplify the fraction itself. So to simplify this fraction, we're going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. Multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator, which is going to be square root of x plus square root of 8 minus x. Then we do algebra to simplify it as much as we can. So we have the limit of x minus 4 divided by square. I'm just copying the whole thing down. X minus square root of 8 minus x. And then we're going to start doing multiplication. Multiplied by square root of x plus square root of 8 minus x divided by square root of x plus square root of 8 minus x as x approach 4. Very good. So on the numerator, we cannot do that much. We're going to just copy down whatever is there. So you have x minus 4 multiplied by square root of x plus square root of 8 minus x. However, on the denominator, if you start distributing this, or if you remember the formula, if you have a squared minus b squared, the difference between squares, it is a minus b times a plus b. You can just follow the formula backward because you have the multiplication. This is a minus b times a plus b. So it's going to be a squared minus b squared. Take a look. You have square root of x minus square root of 8 minus x multiplied by square root of x plus square root of 8 minus x. This is your a, this is your b, a, b with opposite signs. So it's going to be just a squared, which is square root of x to the second power minus b squared, which is square root of 8 minus x to the second power. Basically, you have x minus 8 minus x, or you have x minus 8 plus x, or 2x minus 8. This goes on the denominator, and as x goes to 4. We can do factorization on the denominator. This becomes the limit of a x minus 4 times square root of x plus square root of 8 minus x divided by 2 times x minus 4, as x is getting closer and closer to 4. We found a common factor that causes 0 over 0. We can get rid of it, and we have a nice function, which by substitution, we can find the limit as well. Divided by 2, as x goes to 4, which is square root of 4 plus square root of 8 minus 4, divided by 2, or you have 2 plus square root of 4, which is 2, divided by 2, or 4 over 2, which is 2. So this is the limit of this rational expression here.